Welcome back to our Blue Sea Water channel. Today I wanted to do a video on treating organs in general, your organ system. And this is a synergistic approach. So typically, if one's going to treat, let's say, the liver or the kidneys, the colon, there are programs, for instance, for colon detox. There are programs like taking certain key supplements for the kidneys. And then there are liver detoxes that people traditionally do, like cayenne, garlic, olive oil type protocols. There's obviously detox diets, juice fasts, colon cleanses, enemas, coffee enemas, taking certain key supplements, parasite cleanses, etc. I've been involved in this for many, many years. I know all the different pretty much all the different programs. Today I'm going to share what I consider really very, very profound acting programs. It doesn't exclude the herbs, doesn't exclude, let's say I do body work, it wouldn't exclude the acupuncture, but these are sort of newer therapies that really are just emerged in recent times. So I'm going to just list therapies and I'll show you in a screen share. The first therapy I want to talk about is high frequency vortex electrostatic charge therapy. This is a therapy from Russia, and this is something I've been working with for about a couple of years. I came into this therapy through learning about it from some Russian doctors, and particularly doctors who were doing medical ozone therapy. So obviously one of its biggest fortes is it's very, very compatible with ozone therapy, which is used a lot to knock out microbes. What makes this therapy profound on the organs is the first thing you address is the kidneys themselves. You actually prepare and improve kidney function so that it can handle a very deep level of detoxification that will take place. If you've studied Chinese medicine and you literally understand what qi stagnation is in terms of an organ, the organs as we age and just through disease and sickness become kind of denser, they become more mucked up. It's a very medical word, mucked up, but literally there's density, you can get tumors, cysts, things get hard. It's not a light, breathable organ anymore. So this literally alchemically goes into those organs and literally cell by cell, layer by layer, starts to permeate and break up a lot of debris and blockage. This therapy can be used even for tumors, cysts. It has a whole list of diseases that it works on, but it integrates with some other key therapies if you're particularly working on the organ. So let's say you're trying to work on the kidneys. You would have to go slow. We'd have to monitor you, and you would gradually improve the kidney function. You would also obviously work on all the other organ systems. Then the body would start to get rid of those toxins with the help of this therapy and other therapies, and everything would start to go into a better state. The next program is standing on a vibration machine using this rapid release tool. So you need a really quality vibration machine, which essentially creates a G-force pump on the entire body. The intense vibration, much like a jackhammering effect, will start to break things up. The grip, called the grip of death. But in body work, you're always working on these very heavy gripped areas in the body. And with this therapy, you essentially use the vibration machine along with this rapid release tool to potentiate the entire vibration of the body and then target with this tool as a body worker tool, in this case on the kidneys. Okay, so we'll post a link below to this video. The essence of using rapid release of vibration therapy is one of the most powerful therapies we recommend, because you can do literal visceral or organ massage on every organ in your body. So now you can use the Vortex field therapy to permeate in there at a cellular level, and with this therapy you can literally be a high-level body worker, and you do a vibrational program to power flush, essentially, as we say in this video, all the organs. And you can, if you get good at this, you can work on, obviously, meridians, fascia, the lymph system. It's an amazing global 1-2 punch body work, self-body work therapy. So now if you add in the Antimicrobial Program protocol, which includes these two pieces, and these are two very critical pieces, this will kind of integrate it all. So basically what we're saying is, number one, you have to infuse cleaning agents into the body. Now, the Vortex therapy is an infusion. It's a field infusion. It's not a supplement. It's not our bluesy water, which is amazing at detoxification. It is not, let's say, an herb, but it is a field that infuses and has incredible antimicrobial action. So we're giving you sort of how to integrate all this together to essentially have a gentle and powerful detox program. Gentle, why? Because as you start to go after the toxins, you're going to be able to process them much more effectively using the vibration rapid release and doing our bluesy water. Then you're going to have the more heavy-duty infiltration therapy, such as the Vortex therapy and the ozone. So please watch about the first 8 videos here, and it kind of gives you all the different pieces. But as far as the organs directly goes, the Vortex and the rapid release vibration are going to get you very targeted on the organ systems. And again, you will need practitioner support. And if you're seeing, let's say, an acupuncturist and you start to do this protocol, have them take your pulses before you start, and then have them monitor you, let's say, 3 months later, and see how much improvement you see in your Chinese pulses. We can send you links and for the Vortex therapy, and you can do your research. And we can actually teach you on Zoom how to do the organ treatment with the vibration rapid release protocol. It's actually pretty simple, and you can do it in about 10 minutes in the morning. It's amazing, radical transformation. Keep in mind also that the organ systems, let's say you have a lot of liver congestion, and you're totally toxic in your liver. When you start to clean that liver, voila, you feel less frustrated, less angry. So the emotions associated with the organs is liver is frustration, anger, lungs are grief, the spleen, stomach, pancreas is thinking, worry, the kidneys are fear, anxiety. Obviously, we know about adrenal fatigue. So it's very intriguing how not only are you physically healing the organs, but you're also balancing yourself on a spiritual, mental, emotional level. So if you have any questions, please contact me, Andrew at bluesywater.com. Thank you.